Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Trello Business Class, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Trello website. If you don't have a Trello account, click on the sign up button to create one. Follow the prompts to enter your email address and choose a password. Once you're signed in, locate the business class option on the Trello homepage. Click on business class to view the features and benefits. Review the information presented to ensure it meets your needs. Look for the Try Business Class button, typically located on the overview page. Click on the Try Business Class button to start the subscription process. You may be prompted to enter your payment information. Fill in your payment details, including credit card information and billing address. Review your subscription details to confirm everything is correct. If all looks good, finalize your subscription by clicking Start Quest. You should receive a confirmation email regarding your new business class subscription. Log into your Trello account to explore your new features. Go to the Workspaces tab to see the added capabilities you now have. Take some time to customize your boards and invite team members. Explore the resources and tutorials provided by Trello to maximize your experience. You are now ready to use Trello Business Class effectively for your projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.